Hello? Is anybody there?
Napapanood ko ba siya? How do I open her?
It's live. Well, nagka-count.
Live na ba? Live na.
Comments will appear here. Well, anyways, if anyone is there and you're awake at 8:40 in the morning, good morning. I'm here with Mikey and Melody, the winners of the Idol Mo contest for My Idol Mo. And pasok kayo. They woke up at 5 a.m. to be here, and I'm really happy that they're here. I'm really thankful. And to everyone else who subscribed, thank you so much. Sana next time magkita-kita tayo. We're here at Toby's Estate for a simple breakfast and meet and greet. So, go, say hi.
Hindi lumalabas yun.
Melody and Mikey, guys. Comments.
Dito na lang. Hindi lumalabas yung comments.
Oh,
Yan yung...
hi, Eliza, Yasmin, John, Christine, and Sarah. Morning. Say good morning. Morning. Be friendly, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning. So, if you want to subscribe to My Idol Mo, text Idol then to 2626 for Globe and 2263 for Smart. So, yun. Pa-load na kayo. Thank you, Sarah. Sana makanood kayo tomorrow ng game. Thank you, Amy. Pasok kayo. So, guys, this is Mikey. She's 30 and this is Melody, 19. Nag-cut sila ng class for this. So, I'm really thankful. Nagulat ako, nag-cut sila ng class. Oo nga. Pero, guys, huwag niyong tularan. Pumasok kayo. So, guys, if you have any questions, leave comments na lang. Try to answer. Or if you have questions for the two of them,
Malakas mo.
oh, there! We're back! We're back! Ay, nag-lag siya.
Lag to. Mas lag yung mga 10 seconds.
Guys, if you have any questions, we're willing to answer them. So, si Melody, she's from Bulacan pa. She rode a boat this morning. And then Mikey here, woke up at 5 a.m. From Cavite pa siya. So, to all the people from Cavite and Bulacan, good morning.
Meron na pala dyan.
Nag-cut ka din ng work, bawal yan. Paano sweldo mo? Oh, hi from Los Angeles. Wait, California ba to or Pampanga? Hi, Priscilla. Say hi. Hello. Kamusta daw ang breakfast natin? What can you say?
Po. Okay.
Okay naman.
What did you have?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Did you have?
Banana loaf.
Banana. Grabe talaga ang effort nila, guys. See? Oops. Grabe yung effort nyo. They appreciate it also. So, how do you feel?
Super happy po.
Hindi
Kasi
ka naman
siya-
inaantok.
Hindi po.
You?
Super happy rin. And
Look how cute she is. Oh, California nga talaga. Hello! Gising ka pa? Tama ba yung timeline natin? Oh, hi Den from Pampanga. Guys, questions? If you have any questions, type it in the comment section. We're gonna answer them. Pabati, hi Rosel! Hi Cheska from Bacolod. Oh, ang swerte niyo daw, sabi ni Juanela. Mikey woke up at 4 a.m. Oh, it's Mikey's mom. Hi, Miss Ruth. Your baby's here. We'll show your your husband, but he's on the other side. That's so cute. Oh, from Kuwait. We have people from Kuwait and the States. Ayan na. We're back! Hina ng signal dito eh. Okay. So, if you guys want to win a volleyball, make sure to subscribe and text Idol Denden to 2626 for Globe and 2263 for Smart. So, here it is. Proof na may bola talaga na sinign ko. So guys, if you wanna win also. Saan ba mag-isa? Well, if you wanna win this, please subscribe. Tatakpan si Mike. Oh, hi, Daniel. Andrea from Laguna, hello. Oh, someone from Ilocos. Hi, Marjorie. Kasali ka ba sa team ng Ateneo for the AUG? No. Oh, ano daw feeling nyo that you're here again?
Super happy, syempre.
Happy.
super happy yun.
I'm super happy also. They're so sweet. Ayaw pa nila akong kausapin. I think they're shy pa. Okay. So, last messages.
Thank you po sa idol mo for giving us the opportunity na makasama si Ate Den.
Thank you po sa idol mo na mabigyan ng gantong meet and greet and date.
And hi to your mom.
Hello po.
And thank you, idol mo, kasi na-meet ko tong dalawang beautiful girls and sobrang sweet nila that they came all the way here and from Cavite and Bulacan pa. Who would have thought na galing pa sila dun? And they woke up at 5 a.m. guys. 5 a.m. How can you wake up at 5 a.m.? But yeah, I'm really thankful that I got to meet them. Thank you so much. And to all who are watching, please subscribe to Idol Mo. And if you want to win a volleyball, text space Denden to 2626 for Globe and 2263 for Smart. So that ends our live stream for today. I'm Den.
I'm Melody.
And
I'm Mikey.
good morning. Have a good day.